And then now, what must I do now?
From here, you know that obviously you're done with the analysis. You look to the next point. The take profit is hit.
Yes.
Now you're looking to the next point. The breakout of 61.8.
So
This is 61.8, right? Here's the breakout right here.
Yes.
Right? You go in, look at where it played.
Where
it consolidated after the breakout. It came back and consolidated inside, isn't it? The consolidation is inside. After the consolidation, as soon as you identify a consolidation, you identify your market structure right there. What market structure do we have right there?
the W.
Exactly. Put the
Am I using this?
just identify that one.
Am I using this?
Yeah, the trend line. Trend line.
Trend.
Yeah, exactly. The W starts here. Exactly.
Okay.
Then drag this one down a little. Just a little bit down.
Aren't you putting it on the spike?
Exactly right there. It's right. It's correct right there.
Okay, I see a W, yes, and I see a W.
You can also put it like that. It's fine. If you want to use this one, it's also okay. You can also use that.
But am I correct? Is
You
it
are
a W?
correct. You are 100%.
Ah,
Take your time. Don't worry. As long as you identify the structure that is there, then you're right.
I don't see the trend line.
Yeah, there it is. There it is. Drag it from here, from this point.
From where?
From here, look at this black dot right there. Yeah. Then take it up. Exactly. Just move it, shift it a little bit to the left. That's your W. It's complete. Already it's showing you that the market is going to change direction. It's going to continue going up.
So what about this?
Right. This is the final retest. I will show you what this is called. This is called the 90% retracement.
90%.
90% retracement, whereby a W occurs, then the market goes up a little bit, then turns, then comes back almost close to where it turned. Comes almost. It didn't come to where it turned. Almost at where it turned. This is called the 90% retracement, whereby the market came back to this level, just close by, then continue going up to the direction.
So
Get
what's
the
the
point?
next step now?
The next step is that you get a buy right here. After getting a buy right here, we're going to get our TP on the 100 level of Fibonacci. Remember our Fibonacci was from here to this point, right? From here to this point, we got that 50 and 61.8 is right here. Then we had a 100 level right here, isn't it? After the 100 level right here, so which means whenever you're going to buy from this level of 50 and 61.8, you're going to have your TP at 100 level.
Yeah.
Once it gets here, it hits your TP, then you close.
So I must add.
Let's look for another area to analyze. Let's look for another area to analyze. Let's see. don't want you to go back while you're confused. We should actually get done with everything before you get home. Analyze right there.
This one.
It's not tough. The same way you did the first one. How is the same way you're going to do this one?
Am I starting from here?
No. Look at the trend. The trend started rising from here, right? Going up to this point. This is our highest point, this is our lowest point. The same way you did the first one is the same way you're going to do this one. Let's get done with it. Don't be scared. You first identify your support and your resistance. Before any trend line, remove that one. First identify your support and resistance. Support, you use the horizontal line, not a trend line. Put it exactly on there. Drag it down. Left click. It doesn't matter, you don't have to come here, you can just drag it from here. It's fine. Now make sure that it's not active. Just double tap on it. On it, anyway, on it. Then you look at this point. Double tap with one finger, not with two. Yeah, it's fine. You see now it's no longer active. Then you put the support. Lowest point. Wait. Exactly, drag it down. What do we have? What does these people want?
And then I put my...
Now you use it. Okay. Now I want us to try to just delete it. I want you to use your Fibonacci without the trend lines now. Well, actually, let me do this. Okay, let's delete the Fibonacci for now. Because if we use it like that, you're going to see how to plot it. Plot it like this, so that you don't actually see what's happening that side. I don't want you to see what's happening this side. Yeah, place your Fibonacci. You moved your chart. Let's see. You actually moved to the end. Let's go. There it is.
Yeah, you were hiding this.
Okay, I was hiding this, right? We're going to hide it again. Now I want you to take your Fibonacci from here to there. No, leave that one. Take a new one.
I'm deleting.
Yeah, just delete it. You hold and drag. Don't hold and leave it. Hold it and drag it up. Exactly. Now we adjust it to this point. It comes here. Let it come here exactly. Let this part come here. Drag it. Yeah, exactly. Take it in. Exactly. Right here on this point. Right? Then make sure you fix this point. It must be right where your support is, where your red line is. Exactly.
Let me start afresh. Now I understand.
Do you get it?
Now I understand. Okay, anyway.
Okay. Now I want you to move your chart. Okay, wait, before you move your chart, take your rectangle and put it there. Because we're going to remove that Fibonacci, those Fibonacci levels. Okay, put it. Then when it's like that, okay, leave it. Drag your chart. Left click. Drag your chart. I want you to drag again this. Okay, so if you had a sell here, what was going to be your take profit? You're looking at it. Where was going to be your take profit? If you had sold here, where was your take profit? Yeah, where was your take profit going to be? Exactly, you got it. It's correct. And look at what happened. It turned right there. So which means that 50 and 61.8. Once it fails to break 61.8, you look for a buy.
You look for a buy.
Exactly. Once it fails to break this point, 61.8, you look for a buy. So there's your buy. Now we're going to remove the Fibonacci. Remove the Fibonacci. You can start it from here. Here. Yeah, delete it. Exactly. Move your chart to that side.
Where? That's it.
The side. I want you to take your Fibonacci. Yeah, it's okay. I want you. Yeah, it's okay like that. I want you to take your Fibonacci from the highest point coming to the lowest point.
Hey, yo, Prince.
What's up, Dylan?
Yeah, today's explaining on the chart.
Sure, man. What's up?
What's up, bro?
Good.
No way. Hey, Prince.
Sure, man.
Oh, wait, but I need to.
Alright,
Wait, bro. So what you like analyzing there? What you analyzing there?
we busy the session, bro. We're not analyzing.
Oh yeah, visit the session.
Yeah.
Alright, no way. So what can I expect like in the market today?
Sorry?
Hey, yo, like, you can give me like advice and tips like what to expect like today, bro, in the
Alright.
market because it's NFT.
Text me on WhatsApp because I'm still busy at the moment.
Well, I'm still busy. Alright, let me not disturb you, my nigga. But shout out for the live, bro.
Cool, man.
It was done live. It was done live. Away. Just cancel.
When you live on Instagram, people always. Okay, yeah. Before you go there, can you please just move your chat this side?
Wait, this side.
Yeah, this side. Exactly. Again. Okay. Now, do you see where your take profit was? If you had a buy from here, where was your take profit? Where were you going to? 50, exactly, right here.
Yeah.
And your take profit was hit straight right here.
Yeah.
Do you get my point? Then let's move the chart this side. Yes.
Get a W.
Now you're waiting to find a breakout. After you only get your W after it breaks the 61.8 level. Only. If it hasn't broke the 61.8 level, you don't go in. It's way too risky to go in.
That's right.
Exactly. Here's the breakout. Go to a smaller time frame. Go to 30 minutes. I told you if you don't see something clearly, you see it on a smaller time frame. Drag your chart. Let's go to 15 minutes. Drag your chart. What do you see here? What structure is this? Or what structure is this?
Which one? Yeah.
Yeah, what do you see there? What do you see?
I see a W.
Exactly. That's where your buy is. I'm still confused.
No.
I'm still confused. Can you take your trend line from here, coming down? Start it right there, at the top. Right there. Drag it down. Let it not cross the body. Touches only the spike. The spike. Up. Exactly. Drag it.
And then
Drag it. Keep dragging it. Keep dragging it. Take it down. To this point, I'm looking at the spikes. Exactly, that's the third point. Look at what happened. Hold it right there. Look at what happened here. It came to this point, broke this point, but rejected. Can you see that it left a big spike there? You don't go in, right? Look at what happened. There was a consolidation right there. After the consolidation, it came down, right? Retesting the W right here. Do you get the point? After coming to retest the W, look at the breakout right here. Then retested the trend line. Then continued going up. Look at this point. Okay, let's look at the first, second, third point, right? It failed to break the third point, right? The fourth point, there was a W right here, right? After the W, there was the neckline of a W here. It was retesting the neckline of the W, the one I was telling you about. You remember? Yeah. Then look at what happened. The market came above and broke this trend line, right? Right here. This candlestick. One candlestick that we're looking at is this one. This blue candlestick. Do you see this blue candlestick? It closed above your line to show that it's going up. This is where you're supposed to get a buy.
Oh, okay.
As soon as it closes above the line, you get your buy right there. Then it continues going up. Can you see? Or if you're scared, you wait for the breakout of the consolidation right here. You put your horizontal line right there. You find the breakout of a consolidation, which is this one. The candlestick closed above, which is only 15 minutes. Closed above this level. Then continued going up. There it is. Which means you're supposed to buy right here. Is it simple? That's it. Just simple as that. So are we still looking for another place to analyze?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Let's look for another area where we can analyze. Let's go back. Okay, actually move the chart first. So look for an area where you can analyze. I don't want to look for the area. Look for it. No, look for it.
This one. This is complicated.
Okay, wait. Move it again. Anyway, where you want to analyze, where you feel like, okay, yeah, I can analyze. Because now I want us to focus on trend lines.
One hour is more accurate, eh?
But entries, you know where to get your entries. 4 hours is actually good. But where to get your entries, it's 15 minutes. Try to analyze on a 15 minutes chart.
Why did I even take this one?
Not there. You can't start there. Let's zoom out your chart. And then, once you zoom it out, you check the structure first. You need to check the structure first before you do anything. Before you plot your thing, your trend line, you first have to check if it's a downtrend or it's an uptrend. Right? Let's look for a place whereby there is a good market structure. Where it's messed up like this, you don't analyze. You leave it. That's just like trading a consolidation. Okay. I want us to look for an area whereby it's good structure. Right there is a good structure. Right there. You first identify a trend before you do anything. You first identify the trend. If you find a downtrend, you analyze. Uptrend, you analyze. Don't analyze the consolidation. It's actually hard. I don't want to rush into trading a consolidation at this time. So let's this time I'm not going to tell you anything, but make sure your trend lines are not your horizontal lines are not active. How do you check that they're active? Look at this. It shows that the horizontal line is active. The same as this one. Now let me check the battery of the laptop. The battery is actually low.
I also feel that it's
Let's plug the laptop on the wall. Try to plug the laptop in. It's on the other side. Let's pray that it charges from here. Yes, yes. Got it correct. Sure. Let's get busy. As long as it's charging, it's fine. Right. I love what I'm seeing. You got your take profit right there. Can you actually?
Can I use another product? As I take profit of it.
Yeah, there it is.
Right?
Yeah, you got it correct. I'm glad you're no longer confused. At first you were confused, you were totally lost. Don't stress about a lot of things. You need to make sure you free up your mind. Free up your mind.
Have you been in a hectic situation where you don't know what to do? You're just a middleman. I feel like I'm used because I have to go to this public and go to this. Like I'm used. I have to be the mature one the whole time.
That is why I told you, don't be scared to take responsibility.
I'm not. Like when I can. It's too much for me.
It's not too much. You need to learn how to handle things.
It's too much.
If it's first time for you,
Can
then
you even organize
that's
a
a big
funeral at this age?
yeah, you need to. That is why I'm saying don't be scared to take responsibility. You shouldn't be scared to take challenges in life.
There are people who are better than me.
It doesn't matter. Take responsibility. That's where it starts.
Phone the policies, the motorists.
Yeah, you need to make sure you work and get them. No, you can't.
You know, I haven't slept.
Yeah,
See my
you
eyes.
don't have to sleep.
No, I have to.
You don't have to.
I have to.
If it's not the time for you to sleep, you don't have to.
The family, our black families, they use you because of they think that you protect them to resolve their issues while they have their
We'll talk about that. Let's continue. Don't stress. Don't be scared of solving situations that you've never been through. There's always a first time for everything. Let's analyze them.
Again.
Hey yo, Prince Nasdaq.
So what's up?
Yo, I wanna ask Mfethu.
Sure.
I wanna ask about the leverage thing. This thing of people placing trades lot size 0.01 and then receiving plus minus 1k. You understand my question?
I understand you.
Yeah, like I see you guys like usually go in like 0.01 lot size, and then you guys make plus minus 1k like on one trade and in such small moves, you know. So what's going on? Is it leverages or what?
It's not us. It's Nasdaq, bro. Nasdaq moves. That's it.
It's Nasdaq and US30.
Exactly. They move. They move aggressively.
They move aggressively, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, so what about the leverages? Which leverages do you guys use?
Mostly 1:500. You're
One is
correct.
to 500 mostly. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. 1:500.
Okay, no. 5 yo.
Bro, man. That shot moved. You know, if you wanna make it active, you press on the thread twice with one finger. 2 fingers is to delete. Exactly, from there. Are you deleting it? Okay. Just do everything. Tell me when you're done. That is how I'll see that you understand.
This is your
Exactly. But how come you moved your chart to? Exactly, yeah. That's your take profit right there. So where are you still lost now? Where are you lost? Let's now correct on where are you lost, because I can see you're now doing better than the time you came. So let's see where you are lost. Where you think you're still confused, let's actually correct that. And
Okay, here, after between 50 and 61, now, that's where I take my profit. And then after
but preferably mostly on 50.
most of 50, okay, and then after 50,
After 50, you wait for it to break 61.8.
61,
Remember, 61.8 was here, right?
so after 61.8,
It's going down. It's going to continue to the level of 100. There is the consolidation level. This is the consolidation level.
okay, this
I should move, but it's fine. Let's go back.
okay, when you start your Fibonacci line move from down, that means we're
The
looking
mark,
for a sell.
we're looking for a buy. We started from here to here, right? We're looking for a buy here.
It's going up.
It's going up.
Okay.
Exactly.
Right.
But while we are looking for a buy, we are still holding a sell from the top, right? A sell from the top, our take profit is here. Once it hits take profit, that's when we look for a buy.
On the same spot.
On the same spot, on the take profit, we look for a buy right there. Exactly.
So my question is from here to here, right? From here to here,
I'm listening.
you're looking for. Okay, it's a sell, obviously, because it's coming down.
It's coming down.
And then you close, you take your profit.
Then
And
you look
at
for
the
a
same
buy.
time,
At the same point, you look for a buy.
Alright.
So I'm sure it's clear now.
Okay, is this the only thing?
We're still going to the last point of particular strategy. Paresh, I don't want to rush you much into it.
It's not you rushing me. I think I know this. You taught me, but somewhere I'm confused. But this is my first time doing it. That means you left me, right?
Nah, I didn't rob you.
Yeah,
Not...
you
Ash,
did.
okay, let me just look at